If you want to change the theme on chess.com on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your chessboard, piece style, and overall look while you're already in a game. This is a super easy way to make your playing experience feel more personal and comfortable. So if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open chess.com on your PC and start a game, or open one that is already in progress. Once you're inside the game screen, look near the move list or next to your opponent's name. You should see a small settings gear icon there. This is the button you need to access the game appearance options. Click that gear icon and the game settings window will open up. Inside this menu, you'll see different options related to how the game looks and behaves. What we want to do here is focus on the board settings, so go ahead and select the board tab. Now that you're in the board section, you can start changing the theme to match your preference. You'll usually see options for board color and piece style. The board color controls the appearance of the chessboard itself, while the piece style changes how the chess pieces look on screen. Depending on what chess.com offers at the time, you may have several different styles or color combinations to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the drop-down menus and pick the theme that looks best to you. If you want a cleaner and simpler look, choose a classic board style. If you want something a little more unique, try a different color palette or piece design. The great thing is that you can experiment until you find the combination that feels right. As soon as you make your selection, the changes should apply right away. In most cases, you don't need to save anything manually. Just close the settings window and your new theme should be visible instantly on the board. That means you can keep playing without interrupting your game. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat the same steps. Click the gear icon, open game settings, go to the board tab, and adjust the colors or pieces whenever you like. This makes it very easy to switch themes depending on your mood or the type of game you're playing. So to quickly recap, open your game on chess.com, click the settings gear icon, go to the board tab, change the board color or piece style, and close the window to apply the changes. That's all it takes to customize the theme for chess.com on PC. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.